Hello everyone, my name is Utkarsha Nilwarke. Today's topic is skeletal systems. In skeletal system is the framework of bone and cartilage that supports and protect the body organs, facilitate movement and store minerals. It is divided into two parts. First, axial skeleton and second, sec- appendicular skeleton. First, exoskeleton. This includes the skull, vertebral column, and rib cage. It provides the supports and protection for the body, spinal cord, and thoracic organs. Second, appendicular skeleton. This consists of the limb and their attachment. Guardial and the pelvic guardial. It's facilitated movement and interaction with the environment. Bone in skeleton system. There are various types. First, long bone. Second, short bone. And third, flat bone. And fourth, irregular bones. In long bone consists femur, short bone, carpals, fat bone, skull, and irregular bone. Examples are the vertebrae. The skeletals are the house of bone marrow, which produce the blood cells and serves as the receiver for the calcium and other minerals. Component of the skeletal system consist bone. Bones are the rigid structures that form the skeleton. They vary in shapes and functions and are classified into different types: long, short, flat, and irregular bone. Second one is cartilage, and the flexible connective tissue found in the various parts of the body, such as the joint, ear, nose, and the trachea. It's provide the it's provide the reduction fractions between the bone. Third, ligaments. Ligaments are the strong bands of connective tissue that connect the bone to others bone, provide the stability to joint. Uh, Fourth, tendon are the connect muscle to the bone, allowing for the movement. Bone structures. It consists the compact bone, dense and form the outer layer of the bone, providing the strength and supports. Spongy bones. It is a lighter and less dense, found mainly at the end of the long bone and the interior of others. It contains the red marrow and its structure to absorb the shock. Bone marrow. Bone marrow is found in the central cavity of bone. Red bone marrow produces the blood cells and yellow bone marrow store the fats. Bones are classified long bone. Long bone is longer than they are wide. Femur, femur and the humerus. Short bone, roughly cube shapes. Example, ankle bone. Flat bone, thin and flat. Example, skull and rib. Irregular bone, complex in shape, and the vertebrae, facial bone. The skeleton system's functions. First, supports. It provides the structural supports for the body, giving it shapes and the maintaining posture. Second is protection. It shields vital organs such as the brain, heart, and the lungs from the injury. Third one is movement. It facilitates the movement by surviving as the attachment of points for the muscles which we contract the pull on the bone to produce the movement. Fourth is mineral store. is store the essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which can be released into the bloodstream as needed. Fifth one is blood cell production. It is a house bone marrow which produce the red blood cell, white blood cell, and the platelets through a process is called the hematopoiesis. 6. Energy store. Bone is tissue store lipid in the adipocytes within the marrow, surviving as the energy receivers. Thank you.